The entire content of this video, including the characters, voice, images, text, and overall structure, was automatically generated by the open source AI agent project SkillPilot based on defined instructions. Going forward, we will continue releasing a series of videos to help anyone not only create similar video content with AI, but also truly understand the underlying principles and methods, and gradually become proficient in using AI agents in everyday work. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to start with one simple truth. The world has changed because of AI, and I do not mean it changed a little. I mean it changed at the foundation. Today, you can be doing well at your job, working hard, performing well, being responsible, being experienced, and still lose your job. You can also be studying hard at university, getting good grades, following all the rules, doing everything people told you to do, and still struggle to find a real opportunity after graduation. That is the reality now. Not because you are lazy, not because you are not smart, not because you did something wrong, but because the rules of the game have changed. For a long time, society taught us to believe in a very clear path: study hard, get a degree, build experience, climb step by step, and eventually your future will be secure. But AI is breaking that old logic. The value of many traditional skills is falling fast. The value of many years of experience is being challenged. And a lot of knowledge that people spent years learning may soon become far less useful in real work. That is uncomfortable, but it is true. And this is exactly why I created this channel. The goal of this channel is to help anyone who wants to transition from a carbon-based civilization to a silicon-based civilization. What do I mean by that? I mean we are moving from a world powered mainly by human labor, human memory, human repetition, and slow accumulation of experience, to a world powered by AI, computation, automation, creativity, and human-machine collaboration. In the old world, advantage came from what you knew. In the new world, advantage comes from how fast you can learn, how well you can adapt, how creatively you can think, and how effectively you can work with AI. And that leads to both bad news and good news. The bad news is this: even if you are an expert, even if you are a professor, even if you have a great degree from a famous university, you may still need to start from zero again. Because when the world changes this much, many of the things you learned, mastered, and built your identity around can quickly become outdated. I am not saying all old knowledge is worthless, but I am saying a lot of it is no longer enough. Many things that used to be considered high-level skills are becoming basic. Many things that used to take years to do can now be done much faster with AI. And many fields are being reshaped so quickly that even highly educated people are struggling to keep up. That is the hard truth. But here is the good news. Even if you only have a high school education, you may still have a huge opportunity in this new era. If you have imagination, if you are curious, if you are creative, if you are willing to explore, if you are willing to learn and try and build, you can become better than many people with far more traditional credentials. You can move faster than people who spent years following old systems. You can grow faster than people who are still trapped in old ways of thinking. And yes, in some cases, you can even become more capable in this new world than many university professors. Because this new era does not reward people only for what they memorized. It rewards people who can think, create, adapt, and collaborate with AI. Now, let me be clear. I am not saying nobody should go to university. If you want to go to university for the experience, for the friendships, for the environment, for personal growth, that is completely fine. Go. Enjoy it. There is nothing wrong with that. But if you believe university alone will give you all the essential skills you need for the AI era, I think that is no longer true. Most universities are not fully teaching the skills people now need most. And most professors are not deeply equipped to guide people through the real transition into a silicon-based civilization. Some are, but most are not. That is where this channel comes in. This channel is here to help you build the new skills that matter now. The skills that many traditional systems still do not teach well. The skills that can help you survive, adapt, and even win in this new world. Here, we will talk about how to work with AI, how to think in the AI era, how to build real capabilities, not just collect certificates, how to stay valuable when technology keeps changing, how to become someone who does not get replaced, but becomes stronger because of AI. This channel is for people who can feel that the world is changing fast. It is for people who know the old path is no longer enough. It is for people who do not want to be left behind. And it is for people who are ready to start again, not from a place of weakness, but from a place of possibility, because starting from zero in a new era is not a disadvantage. Sometimes it is the biggest advantage of all. So if you are ready to learn the skills that really matter now, if you are ready to rethink your future, if you are ready to move from the carbon-based world to the silicon-based world, then welcome. Let's begin this journey together.